Good morning, Elite International School. This is your Parade Commander Rohi, and this is my loyal friend Veer.
Woof, woof.
Together, we welcome you to our special A to Z parade. Let's march with pride. And don't forget,
Subscribe, like, and share.
Savdhan, stand tall, India is watching.
Feeling proud like now.
No slouching, no excuses. Parade means posture. March like a lion, brave and confident. Discipline makes us strong, just like subscribing supports our team.
Tap to subscribe if you love India.
No distractions, keep your focus like a true patriot. Tez Chow, let's move forward. Together, keep your India clean, just like this parade ground.
Respect the land. Share this message with friends.
Kadam Tam, freeze and feel the pride. Shoes polished, spirit high, your parade perfect. Say it with love. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Comment Jai Hind if you're proud to be Indian.
Talk with respect, in the parade and in life. Bayin Mud, everyone turn together like unity in diversity.
Together we march. Together we grow. Like now.
Feel the rhythm, stay in motion. Still as rock, steady as our soldiers.
Support the spirit. Subscribe now.
Discipline, grace, honor, get into position. Pride begins here. Silence brings strength. Calm is power. Dahin Mud, follow the right path always. Take a breath. Respect your space. Be flexible but firm in values. Neatness is next to patriotism. Smile. You're a part of something bigger. March in harmony. Together we shine. Stand tall, hands still, eyes proud. Loud and clear. We obey with pride. Say it loud, feel it deep. Hindustan Zindabad. Thank you everyone. This is more than just a parade. This is our love for India. Veer and I salute all of you and remind you from our hearts.